Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to talk about managing push notifications on the Asana app. If you often get overwhelmed by constant alerts, this video will help you take control. First, open the Asana app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right. Then scroll down and select the Push Notifications option. Here, you will see various categories of notifications like My Tasks for Today, Mentions, Likes, and other updates. After that, review each category and turn off any push notifications that you don't need. This way, you can customize which alerts are important and reduce unnecessary distractions throughout your day. If you found this guide helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.